12 steps to clean your tankless water heater. Over time, a tankless water heater will accumulate minerals that can build up on and erode the walls inside your tank's heating chamber. To properly maintain and clean your tankless water heater, you should flush and remove the mineral deposits from your unit at least once per year. Here we will provide you 12 simple steps to flush your unit. Step 1. Shut off the power source for your tankless water heater. Step 2. Close the 3 water valves attached to your tankless water heater. Step 3. Remove the purge port valve cap slowly from the purge valves located on each of the cold and hot water valves. Step 4. Attach your hosing lines to each of the 3 valves. Step 5. Open the purge port valves by twisting them perpendicularly to the position of the cold and hot valves. Step 6. Use 2.5 gallons of undiluted white vinegar to clean your tankless water heater instead of chemical solutions. Step 7. Perform the flushing and draining procedure by following the directions provided by the manufacturer of your tankless water heater. Step 8. Close the purge port valves by twisting the T-shaped handles after the flushing process has been completed. Step 9. Disconnect and remove the hosing lines from each water valve. Step 10. Replace the purge port valve caps onto the purge valves. Step 11. Refer to the manufacturer's manual of your tankless water heater for exact instructions on how to safely restart your water heater. Step 12. Turn on the hot water tap in your sink slowly to allow the air to pass through the pipe.